Hello, Miss Trapper. I wondered if you'd like some company.
What about your mother?
We had a bit of a fight.
And your father?
He didn't come. I wondered if you'd like some Christmas sort of cake. Because we're both sort of alone.
Afraid I'm very busy.
Right. Sorry to disturb.
Life's not always easy, is it, Williams? But I suspect at the moment it's hardest for your mother.
Oh, Mum, you're here. Look what we made.
I don't know what to say.
Just step inside, Nurse Williams, and enjoy a very special Christmas dinner with your most excellent son.